bad. Oh, and then what? You got
What in the world is that?
That is a limited edition Mario Brothers. It's a 25th anniversary, and it goes with that box.
You're kidding me.
No.
You're insane.
No.
No bloody way!
Bloody way.
No
She's on the
bloody way!
phone.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're kidding me. This is like...
Wow.
crap.
How about them apples?
What's that?
Yeah,
It's a Wii.
yeah, that's just
What's a Wii?
Could I play like video, like the exercise thing on it and everything?
okay.
Yes, you
know
can.
I have my moment. This is that time of the year, but
That's from Sharon Osbourne and everybody at the talk.
They gave Wii's to everyone in the audience?
And since we each got one, I thought it was okay to give you mine.
oh, I saw her the other day.
I thought you guys already had one.
Yeah, now we have two.
Oh my god.
You like?
Oh my god. That's amazing.
I think that's cool that it's a
I'm like in
25th.
shock. I never
Neat,
thought
huh?
I'd ever have my hands on one of these things. Thank you.
Okay, you
Well,
welcome.
thank you, Sharon Osbourne.
I know, right?
Okay, well,
Okay, bye.
yeah,
Bye.
let us know.